So BNB, you know, this is quite a stretch in a straight line. And when you look at how far you are from these moving averages, at this point, nobody should be looking to buy this on a small pullback. You need a big pullback. It's really, you know, where are we likely to stop? I think that we might stop at 24,935. And if we don't, then we are going to see new highs. And so new highs means these levels next. And really, there's no reason to get out until you get a reversal. We took partial profits here because normally wave 1 and wave 5 are very often equal. So for me, I measured this, okay, from this low to here, and I projected it from here. And so we got to this level here. I think it was 22,172, 22,200, and that's where we took half off because they're very often equal. Okay, they very often have a fib relationship. So if you can see here, now we're at 1.618 of this first swing, and it lines up with this 886 fib. So potentially we could see a bit of a pullback here in Binance Coin. Now, if you wanted to take partial profit, I wish we had bought the pullback last night, because there was one at 4 in the morning, but obviously I missed it. But if you wanted to take it, we are now at one of those levels where we might pause before we carry on higher. And then again, if we carry on higher, we're going to go to this 1272, and we're going to go way to 2.618, I think, of this first swing. The one thing about these wave 5s is there are almost no rules about how far they can extend. You know, as we've learned in Bitcoin, they can extend a very, very long way. So we're at a maybe support level. And if we break above it, we'll see new highs for BNB Bitcoin. But if you haven't taken some profit and you've ridden it all the way up, I would take a little profit here and recycle it into something else. There are a few others that look really good. I recycled my profits last night into Theta. So I bought a little bit of Theta, but I do think MFT and Storm, if you didn't want to go into Tether with Bitcoin coming off, they look pretty good. A few others look good, like this. Not so good, no. Yeah, like this Encash looks amazing. This is Encash Ethereum. Okay, we've pulled back to the daily moving averages. We've pulled back to 50% of this rally. We're all set for another really strong leg higher in Encash. You know, there are a few little highlights out there. I agree that most crypto is coming off this morning, but there are a few little highlights out there that you can recycle back into, I think, without a problem. Rep is doing okay. I've got Rep up here, but we've got a 4-hour buy set up now in Rep here. And we'll take a look at the daily. You can see we're in a pretty solid uptrend in this one. So we've had a pullback, and we're looking to see if we can break higher. When I get 4-hour pullbacks, I much prefer to enter on a lower time frame just to refine them. I find that they can be a little bit woolly. So here, if we were looking at this, we're just looking for this 15-minute to go again and say buy me. This red line, I think, was our bull bear line, or 50%. Probably. Let's double check. That's why I drew it there. I think it was. Yeah, the 50% level. So we really do need to get above this. But if Rep F gets above this 50% level at 13,450, 460, that looks good. If you're doing Rep Bitcoin, probably look good too. Let's hope. Rep Bitcoin. Yeah, look at this 15-minute and looking for a breakout of this 200 moving average. Again, on the daily, this is a lovely one above the 200-day moving average. It's just we want to make sure that this is not going to do another leg lower back to the 200 moving average before we go up again, don't we? So, you know, that wouldn't be good. We will need it to do this now and make us a lovely bottoming pattern. Yeah, those prior highs, I think, are where we should be looking for a little bit higher in this next leg up. But let's see if we can't, if this 4-hour buy doesn't work, and it is a 4-hour buy here, you can see just setting up. So Rep, I think, has potential. Just, I would do, if we were doing Rep Bitcoin, just like Rep F, I would say, you know, I'd really like to see it go for more than 50% of this swing to be sure. So if I bought it and it didn't get there, or if it stalled there, that would probably be me out. So that's 23.44. Watch out that we go beyond that level. Hello, this is Nick. Just a reminder that Monday Night Live is now at 8 p.m. UK time, an hour early. Then go to youtube.com/Nick Trades, and we will take a look, see if Bitcoin is ever going to bottom and what's looking good to go higher. See you then.